Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by. Today I am going to share with you an easy, simple DIY Mother's Day gift. And I love Mother's Day. I love reminding my mom as many opportunities as I can get how much I love and appreciate her, but especially so on Mother's Day. And sometimes I struggle with coming up with the perfect gift, but I hope that this video helps to give you some ideas for a Mother's Day gift, and this is something that's going to be more personal, so it's coming from your own creativity, packaging the gift together. So it's very simple. I'm going to be using this basket, but you can use any container you want to use, or you could use, I saw one idea on Pinterest. It was like a jar where they put the items in. It's really cute. And then you just need some ribbon or a tag or an ornament that you could write Mom if you wanted to do that. But before I get into showing you how I'm going to package all of these gift items together, I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I think giving the gift of jewelry is such a kind of sentimental, special gift memento to give to your mom. That way when she wears it, she's reminded of you. If you follow my channel, then you know I love Ana Luisa's jewelry. They have such amazing style, selection, and they're very affordable. They start at $39 and go on up to higher end pieces. And the quality is just amazing. They are 100% carbon neutral. They're very conscientious about the environment. But let me share with you this first bracelet, and this I actually received previously from them, but I love it so much I want to gift one to my mom, so they sent me another one, and this is the Roma gold bead bracelet. And honestly, I wear this quite often and forget it's even on. It's very lightweight, and it does have a little you can adjust the size of the bracelet, but I love this piece. It's just such a beautiful piece, and they are offering a Mother's Day sale right now. You get 15% off. All of their products are 15% off right now, so I will have them linked down below in the description box. But I do have two more pieces I want to share with you because I think these are such great ideas for Mother's Day gifts. And this next item is actually a gold cuff, but let me show you the packaging it came in. It comes in this very cute cloth envelope, and it has little magnetic buttons. And I just think the packaging is adorable. I love packaging. So here is the gold cuff, and this is what it looks like up close. Very pretty, very dainty, and I just love that look of stacked bracelets, and this just goes perfectly with the beaded bracelet. The final item is this very cute and dainty ring. It's such a beautiful dainty ring. It's gold with a white topaz, and again, this just would make a wonderful Mother's Day gift. So check them out if you're interested. I'll have their website linked down below. You don't want to miss their 15% off sale. Now, to put together this DIY gift, you'll want a container that is large enough to hold all of the items that you are considering or that you are planning to gift to that special mom in your life. And this basket I got from Home Goods. And Home Goods actually has a large selection, well, fairly large selection of a variety of style baskets and storage bins. And I wanted to pick something out that I knew she could reuse. So I can picture my mom using this in her closet as storage, or a linen closet for it's a pretty storage basket. To fill the basket, I just picked out a variety of items I know my mom will love, and hopefully this will give you some ideas for your Mother's Day basket. But the first item I will talk about is a Bath & Body Works candle. I did stop at Bath & Body Works and checked out their newest line of products, and who knows that you can never have enough candles or lotions. Give this video a thumbs up if you are with me on that. But they had this summer scent called Sunshine Mimosa that I was in love with, and so I couldn't resist. I picked up my mom a little package set of 3 of these items, and look how adorable this packaging is. It's so summery and bright and cheerful, and it comes with a spray and a lotion, a body lotion, as well as a shower gel. And I like that they're trial sizes, that way in case she doesn't like the scent, she won't feel like she has all this product that is going to waste. The next item I got her is this candle, and this just smells so good. I have to smell it again because I love the scent. This is the Raspberry Mimosa, and again, I just love the packaging of this candle, and I know she's gonna love that. The next item is a Bath & Body Works lotion. This is their aromatherapy line, and this is one of their newer ones, and it just smells amazing. It's called Love, and it's the rose vanilla scent. So I guess I should start filling the basket properly first. So I'll start with the larger items to fill the basket. I did pick her up this little notepad from Home Goods. This was only $5.99, and it just has, it's kind of like a planner. She can write down her plans for the day, and also has an additional notepad for just writing random notes. So I'm gonna put that first, and then I will add this kitchen towel set. And when I saw this kitchen towel set at Sam's Club, I bought one not only for my mom but also for me. It's a Martha Stewart line, but it comes as a pack of 8, and I thought the patterns and images on the towels were just adorable and so sunny and summer like, and it was very reasonable. I think these were $14. So I will set those right in front of the notepad. The next item I will put in there, I'm actually going to add a Kleenex box, and you can go ahead and just gift this with the basket. I know it seems kind of random, but this is simply going to be used to prop up the candle and the lotion set. That way they can be seen from the outside, because they're such pretty packages. I kind of want them to be seen. So I'm going to set that in there, and then I will go ahead and put the lotion set on top, and then the candle right next to that. I also picked up some chocolates. These are just the Ghirardelli sea salt dark chocolate, so yummy. And I picked up you can just gift that special someone their favorite candies, gums, etc. I also picked up from Bath & Body Works a hyaluronic hand cream. I've never tried this before, but thought that would be a good gift item. And then I will also gift or fill the basket with the lotion that I talked about. I will put this in the very front. And finally, the jewelry that I am gifting her, I will put that in the front as well. And then I also want to include some personal notes. I have 3 that I'm going to have my children write, and so I will fill these envelopes with their notes and include it in the basket. And I will also include one from myself, and I'll probably put a gift card as well in here. And then I thought you could actually place the cards like right in the front if you wanted, or kind of don't want to hide that package, but you could put it in a place that you could notice it and just write in decorative letters "Mom" across the front, like that if you wanted. And then the final step is just to add a ribbon. And so I'm going to use this purple ribbon that I've had on hand, and I'm just going to wrap it around the whole basket and tie your bow in the front. Thanks again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested, check out their Mother's Day sale. They are offering 15% off their products. They will be linked down below in the description box. If you wanted a more formal bow, you could use a wired ribbon. That way the bow would stay in place. But I just wanted it to look simple, effortless, yet adorable. And I just love putting together these gift baskets. I feel like these are such thoughtful gifts. You have thought through each individual item as to what is going to be perfect for that special someone. And then I love using a container basket that the person can use in their home. So I hope that this has given you some ideas for a Mother's Day gift. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new. I have many cleaning, decorating, and home update videos to come. So stay tuned for those. But have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.